Hello everybody, Caitlin Fike here from the Dione Irwin team and Remax House Real Estate. You guys are going to take a tour with me tonight. I'm at 125 Hillcrest Gardens here in Airdrie. This home is actually coming on the market tonight, so I'm really excited to get you guys in for a virtual tour first so you can see it. Call us, book a tour, come see it. So this home is in Hillcrest and Airdrie. It has a fantastic single car garage. It's on a pretty quiet street here. So I'm gonna take you guys inside and we're gonna check it out. Let me turn the camera around first. Okay, so this home is absolutely immaculate. It doesn't even appear like anybody has lived here. It is in absolutely perfect condition, so clean, very upgraded as well. So we do have upgraded flooring, very neutral, bright colors. So when you come in, you can either go up into the main living area, or we have an unfinished basement down here, a half bath here, really bright neutral colors, lots of white and gray, very modern. And on this side, we have the entrance to the single car garage as well. Okay, upstairs. So it's just up two stairs here, and as you can see, how beautiful is this vinyl flooring here. Upgraded appliances, quartz countertop, really nice. Huge pantry, herringbone backsplash, so nice. Again, absolutely just immaculate. Doesn't even appear like anybody has ever lived here. It shows just beautifully. So here's the living space. Upgraded custom blinds as well. Dining space. And then there is a fully fenced backyard. And there's frosted privacy glass as well on the deck here, which makes it a really nice addition so that if you're out here barbecuing or hanging out, your neighbors can't see you. Okay, so this home comes on the market tonight at, well, coming soon, I think. The list price on this home is $426,900. So you're going to want to get in here ASAP to view this home. It does have upstairs laundry. And these washer and dryer are brand new, still has the plastic on them. And so let's take you guys to the master first. Really big master. You could fit a king-size bed here. Probably still have room for end tables. Really good size. Large walk-in closet. And then the attached ensuite as well. Same countertops throughout the home, same herringbone backsplash, tub shower combo. And down the hall, we have the guest bath. Again, I love that everything just matches and flows so well in this home. Another tub shower combo, low flow toilets. Beautiful flooring throughout this home. Really, really nice carpet up here as well. Very plush. Probably has fantastic underlay. So this is one of the guest rooms. So this is 3 up in this home. Unfinished basement. A linen closet here. And then a 3rd bedroom up here. Again, sliding glass mirrored doors into the closets. So this home in Hillcrest will be on the market tonight. I think I already said the price, but it's $426,900. It's just like $1,300.